Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by Mr. RABBY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grab objects from a screen, also going to show you the tricks of doing this. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, we have to click two photos with the same angle. So you have to use a tripod to shoot this. One photo with the object and the other is empty. Then we will shoot the hand. First of all, I'll try to grab the object directly from the screen. Then I'll grab the object and change the image of the screen into the empty one. After everything was shot, let's move on to Premiere Pro or After Effects or any video editing software you prefer. Now drag your footage on the timeline. Now go to the position where the hand starts to come and grab the object. Now cut the clip. Now go to the position where I tried to grab the object last time. Then select the razor tool and cut the clip. Now go to the position where the object matched together. Then cut the clip and delete the footage. Now adjust the frames so that it looks good. Yes, it's looking perfect. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.